Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you the Shopify product AI description generator. So let's get started. In order to use that, we just need to head over it under our products right here. Now on this products that we have, we should be able to see all the products. So for example, let's head over to the product called pants right here. And then as you can see, this will actually redirect us to the edit page of that specific product. Now, as you can see, this product hasn't had any description. So what you can do is you can click on this button right here and it says generate text. So click on that. And then you just need to add in here some features and keywords. So for example, let's put in here denim pants for summer. So you can say something like that. And then you can click on this generate right here. But before you click on that, make sure also that you set the tone. It can be expert, daring, playful, optimistic, supportive, or you can also put in here a custom tone. So for me, I'll just choose persuasive. Then you can also click on this right here in order to add some special instructions. So for example, you can say something like add beach emojis. You can say something like that. After you have done that, make sure that these features and keywords that you have will describe your actual pants right here. So head over and click on generate. And once you have done that, this will actually add in here this product description. Now, if you're not satisfied with what it looks like, you can click on this generate again. Or once you're satisfied, just click on the skip right here. Then as you can see, the product description looks like this. It actually added an emoji for me and it actually have in here a really good description. Once you have done that, head over and click on save. And then this will save your progress. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.